From a distance, it looks like home, a calm, pale blue dot floating in the dark. But this is not Earth. This is HD 189,733b, a massive gas giant locked in a deadly dance with its star. Tidally locked, one side boils in eternal daylight, while the other freezes in perpetual night. This extreme divide creates a planetary nightmare. As we descend into the atmosphere, the illusion of safety shatters. That beautiful blue color isn't an ocean of water. It's a toxic swirl of silicate particles laced with hydrogen sulfide. This world literally smells like rotting eggs. But the toxic air is the least of your problems. Here, it rains glass. Caught in supersonic winds blowing at over 4,300 miles per hour, the glass doesn't fall down. It flies sideways, shredding anything that dares to enter. On the dark side, the violent storm never stops, illuminated only by flashes of lightning in the pitch-black sky. If you tried to land, you would find no surface. You would just fall deeper and deeper into the dark, until the crushing pressure and extreme heat turn the atmosphere into a glowing, molten abyss. A beautiful blue marble, hiding the ultimate cosmic hell.